Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present a case study on AI-enabled supply chain transformation at Nestle Malaysia. So these studies focus on how artificial intelligence and digital technologies can improve supply chain performance, efficiency and decision making. So for the introduction, Nestle Malaysia is one of the leading FMCG companies in Malaysia. So it produces well-known products such as Milo, Nescafe, Maggi and KitKat. So because of FMCG products have high demand and fast turnover, supply chain management is very important. So the company operate a full supply chain starting from suppliers, manufacturing warehouse, logistic, retailers and finally becoming a customer. So this study focused on how AI can help improve this system and solve current supply chains problem. So let's go to the supply chain overview. So the supply chain of Nestle Malaysia starts from suppliers who provide raw materials like cocoa, milk and sugar. So this material go to manufacturing plants where they are processed into finished product. After that, the product are stored in warehouse and then transported through logistic network. So next, they delivered to retailers such as supermarkets and online store. So finally, the products reach customer. There are three main flows in this system. So product flow, information flow and financial flow. So this shows that every stage is connected and a problem in one stage can affect the whole system. So let's go into the next slide, which is the current supply chain issue. So there are three main issues in Nestle's supply chain. First one is it is inaccurate demand forecasting, which this means the company cannot always predict customer demand correctly. Second one, the inventory imbalance. Some warehouse have too much stock while other have too little. So third one is lack of visibility. So the company does not always have a real-time information across the supply chain. So these issues lead to the higher cost stock and problem. It have lower customer satisfaction. So the next slide, which is the root causes. So the main causes of this problem come from several areas. First one is technology is limited, so real-time data is not fully used. Second one, business process are fully integrated between departments. So third, employees may not have strong digital skill. Fourth, data is always consent and well connected. Finally, market demand is unpredictable and changes quickly. So overall, the problem is not from one area only, but from the whole system. Next, the technology solutions. So to solve this problem, several technologies can be used, such as artificial intelligence can improve demand forecasting by analyzing a large amount of data. So Internet of Things or IoT help tracks the product in a real time. So cloud-based ERP system connect all department in one system. So big data analytics helps identify patterns and improve decision making. So warehouse automation using robotics can improve the speed and reduce human error. So this technology help to make the supply chain more efficient and accurate. Okay. And then for the recommendation matrix, the main recommendation are divided into three levels. So the high priority includes AI forecasting and IoT tracking because they directly solve key problems, while medium priority includes ERP integration and data analytics because they improve coordination and decision making. While low priority is warehouse automation because it requires high investment and less urgent. Overall, the focus should start with AI and IoT first. And let's see at the roadmap. The implementation is done in 4 phases. First, within 0 to 3 months, the company conduct a data audit to identify system gaps. Second, from 3 months to 6 months, an AI forecasting pilot project is introduced. While third one, from 6 to 12 months, IoT and ERP system are implemented. So finally, after 12 months, full integration, the supply chain system is finally completed. So this step-by-step approach reduces risk and ensures smoother adoption. And lastly, ethical, human, and sustainability. There are three important considerations. First is data privacy, which is the company must protect sensitive information and prevent data breaches. Second is human impact, which is automation may reduce some jobs, so employees need trainings and reskilling. Third, which is sustainability, the company must reduce waste, use resources efficiently, and ensure responsible sourcing. So these factors are important for long-term success. And for the conclusion, in conclusion, Nestle Malaysia faces challenges such as forecasting inaccuracy, inventory imbalance, and lack of visibility. So this problem reduce efficiency and increase costs. However, AI and digital technologies can solve issues by improving accuracy, visibility, and coordinations. But successful implementation depends on proper planning, employee training, and ethical responsibility. So that's all from me. Thank you.